Good morning, everybody. This is Kathy from Cat's Create, and I am coming on today with a tutorial on how I do my rosettes. I know there's a lot of tutorials out there, showing you how to do them, and basically it's the same concept. Everybody has their own way of doing it. This is the way I do it, so I just had somebody ask me how they, how I did them. And because they were having a hard time. I do not know how to do the cupcake rosettes. It looks really simple, but to me it is hard. I don't know why. And a lot of people can do the cupcake liner rosettes better, than these crepe paper. So I got this at the streamer at Hobby Lobby. I love the color. Yes, it's a greenish color, so that's why I love it. It's like a teal color. So let me go ahead and show you really quick on how I do it. I am not going to finish it off with embellishing it or anything because I did not heat up my glue gun. So I mean, I guess, you guys could embellish it any way you would like. So let me just go ahead and show you how I do it. Basically what I do is I fold this down, fold it like that. So there you go, fold it. And then what I do is I, like about half of my nail, and then I pinch it here. I don't know if you guys were able to see that. Let me show you again. Half my nail, and then pinch it right there at the edge. Half my nail, pinch it right there at the edge. And I don't know, I guess I'm getting nervous because you guys are looking at me, and it's not like you guys have not seen my work. So there you go, half a nail and pinch, half a nail and pinch. And every time you pinch it, you just basically, and you're always holding the back part with your pointing finger, and your thumb is the one that guides you. Okay. And just basically, move it around and never let go of the back. If you let go of the back, that's probably when your rosette basically undoes. So half, oops. Okay, usually I count, usually it's from 13 to 17. It just depends. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. And then once I start getting onto this, like say I'm almost finished with my rosette, because right there I'm basically finished, what I do is I try to cut a little extra, and then get it like that, and then I fold this in just like we did it when we started. Fold it in, and then there you go. And then I do the staple kind, and then basically you hold it. I know it's kind of hard, huh? I guess I got so used to doing it that my fingers are so used to it. And it's not a perfect rosette, as you can see. It's all wonky. So what I do is I go around it. Let me see if I could show you guys. So my rosette is all wonky. Hopefully you guys could see it. It's not a perfect rosette. Let me see if I could find. It's not a perfect rosette. See how it's off right here? It's also off right here. So what I do, try not to do this much, because if you start doing it like a lot, you're gonna lose your shape, and you're just gonna be cutting more and more. So basically what I feel that is wonky, I just go around it and do like this right here, and that's it. You can also use what I did at the beginning. I used to use a lid from any container that you might have. Let me see if I find one around here. Oh, this is too big. Anyways, how about this? A lid, something similar to this, and just basically go around it, and then just have your have one as your basically set what is it called, demo basically, and all you do is just put it on the other one, on top of your next one that you make, and just go around. I mean, like I said, try not to do it. And there you go. There here's my rosette. There you go. Let me go ahead and do it again just in case. I'm probably going to do this one fast. So fold this down. And then half your finger, and you're just pinching it in there. Half your finger. Half your finger. Never lift this finger up. Never lift it up. So this, basically, that's your, what would you call it? Like, your turning point, like where you turn it, and just never lift up your finger. Instead. And then I'm almost done. Oops, sorry. Oh, sorry. I hope I'm getting all this in frame. I probably will review the video and see what it came up like. Staple and staple. And there you go. You have another rosette. And then basically, there you go. This is my original. If you want to cut all that, that's fine. But if you want to go around and say, hey, you know what? I don't need to cut that much. You could just do that. And these are not perfect. Sometimes rosettes are not going to be perfect, and that's fine. Don't focus too much on it being perfect. It's all right. As once you start getting used to doing them, trust me, you're just going to be like, oh, okay, I just need to cut this little piece off, and that's fine. That's it. So let me go ahead and show you. I know this is more of a perfect rosette. I personally don't like doing this because I don't like getting poked on my fingers. This is the needle and thread. I think I saw this, I want to say Tara Finch. I can't even say her last name right now. I saw it a long time ago, and I tried it, and I honestly kept on poking my finger. It's an easy way of doing it. It's just like what is it called when you go up and down, like in, you know, just like, I don't know how to explain it. I apologize. I'm trying to explain something and I can't do it. So basically just go in and out, like if you were weaving basically, and just go like that. The length, it's up to you. I mean, just basically trial and error. Whatever works for you, that's, you know, how you're gonna do it. Oh, my mail lady's here. Sorry, the mail lady came, and I want to see what she brought, and she's like, I have packages for you, and I'll bring my truck over, because she was walking. So that's so sweet of her. So we'll see what we got. Always get packages, and it's always for the honey. So just basically estimate where you want to go. Like I said, I'm not perfect at doing this one. I still have to practice on it, and like I said, I really don't like doing it. So there you go. So I still have the needle. It's all the way in here. See the needle? I haven't even pulled the thread. Just be careful. Oops. Be careful when you do pull the thread. You don't want to pull it too hard. Excuse me. You don't want to pull it too hard, because if you do pull it too hard, you're basically gonna go through the whole crepe paper, and all your hard work is just not there. So basically do a knot, like, you know, if you were sewing something. There you go. I do a double knot just in case. Like I said, I'm always poking myself, and it's not going to be a perfect rosette. But you know what? Once you embellish it and do everything to what you're going to do, there you go. Like I said, this is not the way I like to do it. And that's how you get your perfect circle rosette. And then you just put your little embellishment right here. If you want, you can smash it like I usually do. There you go. Well, anyways, thank you guys for taking the time to watch this. I hope it helped a little bit. And if, like I said, if you need like something to guide you, just basically get something round, a template, make yourself a template, a circle template, and then you could just put it on your rosette and just cut around it, and you're done. And well, again, thank you guys for taking the time to watch. I'm sorry if it was too long. Sorry if that was confusing. If you have any questions, if you guys wanted me to do it again, I will do it again. You guys have an awesome day. We'll see you guys on our next video. Thank you guys for your support. And I love watching your comments. I just love them. I mean, like, oh my gosh, I can't believe how much comments I've been getting lately. And that excites me every time I see a comment. So thank you again for your support, you guys. You guys have an awesome day.